With the recent enhancements to smartphones, many of us may be concerned about how our personal information is being handled. In particular, we are concerned about how new features in photo applications will affect our privacy. In this article, we will explain in detail how the iPhone's enhanced visual search feature works and how to protect our privacy. Hello! In this issue, does the iPhone's enhanced visual search function send animated images other than location and food without permission? I will explain about the following. If you found this video interesting, please like it and subscribe to our channel. How extended visual search works. Enhanced visual search is an advanced AI feature that leverages the iPhone's neural engine to analyze image features inside the device. This technology does more than simply identify images. It works in the following sequence. Feature extraction. Convolutional neural network, CNN, is used to analyze image contours, colors, and shapes and convert them into numerical vectors. Matching with global index, match anonymized data using quasi-isomorphic encryption against a database of landmarks, food, animals, etc. Stored on Apple's servers. Return of results encrypted communication. OHTTP relay technology is used to retrieve results while hiding the user's IP address. This mechanism allows Apple to provide search results without retrieving the original images, thus ensuring privacy. Will image data be sent to Apple? In Apple's enhanced visual search, the photos themselves are not sent to Apple's servers. The process is completed inside the device. This is made possible by Apple's use of quasi-isomorphic encryption and differential privacy. Feature extraction inside the device. Neural engine. Neural engine analyzes image contours, colors, and shapes and converts them into numerical vectors. Match encrypted feature vectors with server. Match search with anonymous data using Apple's global index and quasi-homomorphic encryption. Return of identification data on the server side. Apple's servers provide search results without receiving the original image data. Furthermore, through OHTTP relay technology, Apple does not even obtain the user's IP address, maintaining complete anonymity. This creates a mechanism for providing search results without violating privacy. Privacy protection technology. Apple combines 3 advanced technologies to protect the privacy of enhanced visual search. This allows users to securely perform image searches without having their data leaked directly to Apple's side. Quasi-homomorphic encryption. Quasi-homomorphic cryptography is a technique that allows computation to be performed while data is encrypted. Normally, when processing on a server, the data must be decrypted. However, Apple's enhanced visual search can check encrypted image feature vectors against the server, making it impossible for Apple to directly reference the user's images. Differential privacy. Apple employs anonymization techniques by adding statistical noise to prevent users' personal data from being identified. For example, when Apple aggregates visual search usage, it protects privacy by mixing in intentionally random data so that individual user data cannot be identified. OHTTP relay, oblivious HTTP relay. OHTTP relay is a protocol that hides the user's IP address for completely anonymous communication. During an enhanced visual search, search requests are not sent directly to Apple's servers, but are anonymized through an intermediate server. This means that Apple cannot identify who performed the search, eliminating the risk of tracking. These technologies allow Apple's enhanced visual search to provide advanced search capabilities without sending photo data to the server. How to check and change settings. The enhanced visual search is enabled by default, but can be disabled depending on the user's privacy settings. Specific instructions for changing the setting are as follows. How to disable settings. For iPhone, Settings app, Photos, turn off extended visual search. For Mac, Photos app, Menu Photos, Settings, uncheck in the General tab. What happens when the function is turned off? Image analysis is completed completely within the device. When the search function is turned off, the images are not checked against Apple's global index and are analyzed only by the AI within the device. Possibility of decreased accuracy. Since cloud matching will no longer be available, recognition accuracy will be reduced, making it particularly difficult to identify animated images and minor landmarks. Complete cutoff of communication. Anonymous communication using OHTTP relay will no longer take place, and the system will be completely disconnected from Apple's servers. Turning it off is one option if privacy is a top priority, but it is recommended that settings be adjusted to balance the convenience of the feature. Summary: Apple's enhanced visual search is designed with privacy in mind, but from a technical standpoint, it is difficult to completely eliminate the risk. Points to strengthen security measures. Thorough in-device processing. Utilizing a neural engine, the image data itself is processed without being sent to Apple's servers, thereby reducing the risk of information leakage. End-to-end encryption. Quasi-homomorphic encryption is applied to communications between Apple's servers and devices to enable retrieval without data being decrypted. Anonymization of IP addresses, OHTTP relay. Search queries are anonymized and designed so that Apple cannot identify who or what searched. Potential risk: malware infection of devices. Even if the enhanced visual search itself is secure, if the device is infected with malware, locally passed data could be leaked to the outside world. Apple's privacy policy changes. Periodic review of privacy settings is recommended, as Apple's policies may change in the future and the scope of data collection may expand. By checking Apple's latest information and properly managing your settings, you can use enhanced visual search with confidence.